Welcome everyone. In this course, we are going to enter a new way of industrial control. As you already see from the title of this course, it's PLC. PLC is a key role in today's industrial control. So, let's take a seat. Don't worry. Today I will give you a small introduction to this wonderful course. This course will be divided in two main parts. First part, we are going to perform on Siemens PLC S7-1200. In this part, you will understand what's PLC and how it's working. And I will promise you, you will have very beautiful examples in each step in this part. And in the second part of this course, you will be introduced to another type of PLC Siemens, which is S7300. This type is more complicated than S7-1200, but don't worry, I will guide you step by step with a different example. At the end of this course, as you are used to summarize the course in a complete real-world project. So don't worry. And let's start. First of all, what's PLC? PLC is a programmable logic control. Has a similarity and difference to and from the microcontroller at the same time. PLC uses a programmable memory to store instruction and a specific function that include on-off control, timing control, or counting control, or even arithmetic and data handling. PLC has similarity and dissimilarity to the microcontroller. The main similarity between the microcontroller and PLC, both has a microprocessor, both on board memory for storing program. Both has own special programming language. PLC use ladder language and microcontroller using C language. Both has input and output ports. The main difference between the microcontroller and PLC intended to industrial application, but microcontroller is used for educated application. PLC has input and output designed interface for control relay. The PLC is more reliable than microcontroller. But now, we know what PLC, but what is the main component of PLC? PLC consists of four main parts: input module, power supply, CPU, output module. First of all, the power supply. Power supply is used to convert the AC power to DC power to supply the input module and CPU and output module. The input module is used to take the signal from outward to CPU. So it means it's used as interface between the external world and CPU. It takes the signal from the outward and gives signal to CPU. It can sense button, even push button or toggle button, or even sensor. The CPU or central processing unit is used to process the input signal according to a program stored in the memory and perform an action. This action will be sent to output module to perform it on outward. For example, turn on motor or even turn off lamp. So you can summarize that we have four main parts: power supply, used to supply input module, and CPU and the output module. Input module is from input. It used to take the input signal to CPU. CPU has a memory. This memory, we write a program. This program performs an action with the input signal and gives this action to output module, who will perform this action in outward. In this course, we are going to discuss two main categories. First category is S7 1200, like this one. This part is the input module, and this part is the output module. Or such as the S7 300, like this one. Finally, don't forget to see the next block